Hello guys, this is Kawaayeet, and today I'm showing you not one, not two, but 3 different DIYs, all for the Christmas season and perfect for those who love video games. So the first DIY we're going to be making is a candy-filled Kirby bowl. So the things you're going to need include a glass bowl, some candies, more candies, and some paints. So everything that I'm painting in this video, I pre-painted white, so as you can see this bowl's white, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint it all pink. Now what you're going to want to do is make sure you do multiple layers. I ended up doing 2 or 3. And here's the reference photo I'm using for the face, which we will be recreating on the glass bowl. And what I did is I outlined everything in pencil first before going over it with paint. So as you can see here, I'm just doodling the eyes and the mouth and the little cheeky things that he has. And I'm just going ahead and starting off with the white paint. You're always going to want to start with white and end off with black. You always want to do the light colors before the dark ones, so it's easier to cover up the light colors with the dark ones. Most of these DIYs are more catered towards people who are okay with doodling just a little bit. Otherwise, it doesn't require a ton of art skills. Time for Kirby's little plushies! Okay, and what I did for the mouth is I outlined it with a Sharpie. Last and final step is to fill up Kirby with the candies. I figured this is kind of fitting because Kirby eats a lot, and if he's filled with a bunch of candies, then you know, it's just kind of fitting. I mean, you could do this with cookies too. I decided to go with chocolates. So this next gift is Super Paper Mario themed. What you're going to need is 3 chocolate bars. I went with Aero, Kit Kat, and Hershey, as well as pencil crayons or paint and paper. So the first thing you're going to want to do, which is what I did, is trace all of the chocolate bars twice onto pieces of paper, one for the front, one for the back. But you're going to want to ensure that you make the outline slightly bigger than what it is, just so it's easier to wrap around the actual candy bar. This gift idea is inspired by the chocolate bars in Paper Mario. I figured I wanted a way to kind of spice up a regular chocolate bar and make it kind of gamer themed, so I decided to go with the chocolate bars that appear in Paper Mario. On the back, I decided to write the name of the chocolate bar and what it does. So for example, it restores 5 HP and cures poison. And here I'm just using the pencil crayons to color everything in. I'm also going to be cutting little slits on each of the sides, and you'll see why in just a momento. It's just so you can wrap it around easier like that. And I'm just finally taping everything together like so. And when you make these, probably make it a lot bigger, because I ended up having extra room in between by accident, but I didn't think it was a big deal. It kind of looked cool. Anyways, here's the final product, as well as the back of each bar. Okay, so the last DIY gift is going to be this melee jar filled with inspiring quotes. So first you're going to want to get a jar. I decided to go with a blue themed one. You'll see paints, as well as sticky notes, a lot of them. And for this jar, I will be drawing a shine using a pencil first before I actually use the paints. It's just going smack dab in the center right there. So this gift idea came from the fact that I know someone who's really into Melee and they really put a lot of effort into becoming a better player, and I figured having motivational quotes inside something that represents something that you love would just be even more special. As you guessed, each sticky note is going to have a motivational quote or just something like a word of advice, or you can always just write something else in the sticky notes. It's really up to your personal preference. It doesn't even have to be Melee themed. You could do it like Pokemon themed if anything. I don't know, maybe they're going to become a professional Pokemon player. I don't know their life. Anyways, here's the final product. I just put all the sticky notes inside, as you can see, and they can easily just, open it up and take some notes from it. Read one each day, up to them. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed that video. I know it's a little shorter than what I usually do, but this has been Kawaayeet, and I'm gonna eat out. Bye! Merry Christmas!